There's an osprey calling out. He's a beauty too. That's where the osprey is. Very close here too. I'm surprised he's this close to me. You gonna call out again? Hey, do your call again. That was pretty cool. Oh, you gotta get dried off after being in that water, huh? They're a whole lot better fishermen than we are. And they need it for their young ones and themselves. Don't know how long I can hold this phone still. I want you to make your noise again. You're a beauty. Can't ask you to smile for me when you're looking at me, right? Well, you can turn that head all the way around, huh? Guess we're not going to see him fly away. Sit here and watch him, I guess. He's looking for any activity in the water. Being lazy right now on a pole. Probably taking a break after flying all that time this morning. Oh, I hear an eagle. I hear an eagle over there. Okay, what's he gonna do? I just stepped forward a little bit, shook a little bit, so that's okay. It's cleaning itself now. So, oh well. Don't know how long it's going to sit there for. I put my arms down, okay? There we go. Maybe that's a little more steady. In the background, you can see one flying. And he's fishing. He's way up there. I can hardly see him on the phone. He's going over there. He's up there somewhere. That's what you should be doing. So they fish and they'll dive down. He's hovering. He's going down. Let's see what he does. He's going around circles up there like he's going to go down. I'll bring you back if he takes the dive. He's aiming on something. He's aiming on something over there. I don't know how close I can get without shaking too much. And even if you can see it, pretty far away. Okay, let's bring you back over here. You're nice and close now. Bring my arms down so I'll try stopping it from shaking. I think it's just enjoying just sitting there, huh? A breeze coming by. You gonna fly away with this wind? Fly into the wind? Huh? Maybe I should give you a name. I don't know. There he goes. Ta-da!